The reason I chose Kuraray was because I saw that it was a global company after doing some research, and a global company is always something that I wanted to work with or try and get into. Since starting this internship, I have gotten a better idea of what I want to do with my career. It's opened a whole new world to me that I wasn't aware of, and now I know that this is something I could potentially pursue. During my internship, I worked on a VBA project that made a spreadsheet that is used for emission calculations a lot more usable, user-friendly, and more ergonomic to use. The best part of this internship for me has been learning something that I was not familiar with at all. The company's culture is very family-oriented. Everyone wants to help you. No matter where you turn, they're willing to help you and they want you to succeed. Opening a new door to a different industry, it could be a little scary, but at the same time, it's helped me understand it better when I had no understanding before. Some of the fun things that I've done at this internship is all the team building, doing different projects in different parts of the plant. For anyone that wants to intern at Kuraray, I would say not to double think it. It's a great experience. Me having this being my first internship, it's amazing. I can't, and it set a standard that it's very high for every other company that I ever want to go work for.